MCRB stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Cirrus Therapeutics stock 25% up for the day. One thing that I want to say specifically is that yeah, we've been kind of melting and it's been kind of stalling, consolidating as well. We have an upcoming earnings and just south of 2 months. I've done 35,000 videos, spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything. And generally speaking here with MCRB, I think I've already done my fair share of analyzing this. Yeah, so that was kind of the supply that just never held. So with that in mind, we saw a beautiful shift. That's the first candle though. Now, if there's a second break above 101, then I'm still gonna look to potentially long like something, man. Like, cause this seems like it has a lot of power behind it. Like honestly, there's a lot of pump and dumps and whatnot, but like if I start seeing some proper breaks above this, I'm definitely trying out the bullish waters. And then like the management game is crucial part of this, which I think is the most rewarding part, but I'm definitely going to keep you updated. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.